Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Patelii brand, their non-stick loaf pan set. There's 4 pieces, and these are a rectangular baking tray for oven cooking. Now in terms of size of these pans, I'm going to show you and I'll measure them. Outer measurement's about 9.25 by about 3.75, and they're about 2 inches deep. And they do sell 2 different sizes. They sell a smaller one also if you like. Now what's unique about this is totally non-stick all the way around, even the seam. You could feel it. And it's a real heavy gauge. I can't even compress that. You have to put it in a vise to compress it. In terms of volume, this will hold about 3 cups, which is exactly half of a standard 9-inch loaf pan. So that's nice. So if you have a recipe that uses a loaf pan, then you know that you could divide it up and use 2 of these for that recipe. So if you're going to use all 4, you would follow a recipe that uses equivalent of 2 of these standard size loaf pans. And that's good they did that so that you could follow recipes that you're familiar with. So we're going to be testing this out, and my wife's going to make something using them, and we'll see how well they work.
So we're going to use the set of 4 pans to make the equivalent of 1 loaf sweetbread. This is a triple berry bread divided into 2, would have been the equivalent of a standard size loaf pan for dessert. And then we're going to make a small meatloaf and a small lasagna.
So here they are, all baked, and the pans work beautifully. You can see it just overflowed the exact amount you'd expect, and they release real easily even without the parchment paper. They'll just release beautifully, and you can see I cooked it very evenly. So we got the meatloaf, the lasagna, and a delicious bread. So these pans work really, really well. These are a nice value. These worked really well. They're non-stick, they're very durable, they're solid steel, the heat absorbs in them perfectly. They're the perfect color that is going to allow browning. So they're not too light, not too dark. So really a good product. I'm impressed. I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. I hope this video helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.